Picture this, a vibrant blue flash streaking across the sky. Behold, the bluebird! These enchanting winged creatures mesmerize us with their stunning plumage and graceful movements. Found in various habitats across the globe, bluebirds have captured our imagination for centuries. Hiya, folks, and welcome back to Natural Wonder of Mother Earth. Today, we have an exciting topic that will leave you in awe of the remarkable bluebird and its vital role in our precious ecosystem. So grab your binoculars, strap on your adventure boots, and let's dive deep into the fascinating world of bluebirds. Now, let's uncover the pivotal role bluebirds play in our sometimes fragile ecosystem. Did you know these feathered wonders are renowned for their unmatched insect control abilities? That's right, bluebirds are ferocious predators of insects, particularly harmful pests that can wreak havoc on crops and gardens. They act as natural pest control, making them the eco-warriors of the avian kingdom. Hold up, there's more. Bluebirds aren't just pest controllers, they're also skilled pollinators. As they flit from flower to flower in search of food, they unintentionally transfer pollen grains, aiding in the reproduction of numerous plant species.